Today we are going to talk a little bit about phone. Has it ever happened to you that you plugged your phone and your phone won't charge and you started wondering what you can do? So it's happened to me, of course, but you know what? When that happened, that doesn't mean your phone is dead or you had to buy a new phone. That simply means that something that happened to your phone and you have really to take an action to resolve it or to help your phone. Think of it when you have your car, right? Every once in a while you have to service it, right? It's the same way, same will apply to our phones. When your phone, uh, what using your phones and charging day in and day out, so every once in a while your phone will also get the same problem, and that means you need to take to do something to help your phone pop so that when you plug it, it's going to charge. But most of the time, when your phone does not charge or it refuses to charge, like mine, as you can see, nothing is happening, right? It simply means something is probably wrong with the charging port that I have to take action. So what you can do to resolve that or to find out what is wrong is by simply checking the charging port. That means what you need to clean up your phone charging port when your phone won't charge. That's one of the first thing. And how you can clean your phone charging port is simply by getting one of the white covered wires, or you can get a tooth. How can I call it? A really tiny thin stick that will go in there and not leave anything behind it. So just grab it and put it inside and just go back and forth like that, back and forth. As you can see, do it a couple of times and then try it. Let's try it again. Make sure whatever thing it is that you're using is strong enough to clean the charging port. So like I said, do back and forth about 3 to 4 times, and now try to dump out everything that was inside. You can see there are all sort of crap in there. You can see there are all sort of crap in there. All the files from probably my pocket. I don't even know. I couldn't even think of that. Let me dump it. You see, all that was inside my phone. I could not even think. And I'm sure you are not thinking that things like that could be in your phone charging port. Obviously, when something is not charging, that means the connection between the charging the lightning and your phone charging port are not communicating well. So that could be one of the main reasons why it's not charging. And what so if there is something between them, it won't charge. And obviously, when you plug your phone, it won't respond, so it will not charge. That is usually one of the first things you got to do. And do it another time, just in case you left something behind it. And if you try to go back and forth and you start hearing those wires or some sort of cracking in it, it means it's clean already. Stop, otherwise you're going to destroy it. See, all that was inside, and I'm seeing something in it again hanging out. I got to get it out. That was inside as well. Wow, if you look carefully, you will see all the dirt in standing in the way. Just sitting there, having fun, enjoying the time, and preventing you from charging your phone. That is never a good thing for you. Alright, try it once again until everything is clear and until you see the charging port clearly. Never stop. Oh my goodness, can't believe all that was inside. It was like a little house for all the crap and dirt. My phone charging port is not a house for all the dirt. Okay, once again, do it one more time. Go back and forth all the time. Wow, I can't believe all that is inside my phone. And I'm guessing you are astonished as well, and so surprised to see all the dirt in your phone charging port. It happens most of the time from a pocket. When you put your phone in your pocket, if your phone charging port does not have a clip or a cover, something like that will happen. So one more time, I try. And again, it doesn't have to be 200% clean. I would not say 100%, I'm going to say 200% clean. All you gotta do is just remove those dirt and crap from your phone charging port. And tap it, check your phone, so everything comes out. And be careful not to hurt the wires, or you're going to pay for it. Okay. If need be, blow it through it to remove all the dirt you cannot reach. Man. It looks clean to me. Try to blow through it a couple of times. Great. It's now clean. All the crap's out of my phone charging port. And now let's try to charge it again. Let's plug it in. I'm going to turn on my power bank to make sure it's flashing. And I'm going to connect my phone. So I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to hide it from you people. And plug it. And now, ta-ta, it's charging. Okay. So that's one of the first things you gotta do when your phone refuses to charge. When your phone refuses to charge, doesn't mean your phone is broken. It means it needs some cleaning. So all you gotta do is just grab a very nice and strong stick or a covered wire, a gentle one that will not hurt your charging port, and go back and forth 3 times, and remove all the crap out of your charging port. And again, do it another time and remove it out, and do it another time. Keep doing until the port is clear. And once it looks a little bit cleaner than before, and the tiny one that refuses to come out, just blow through the phone charging port and everything will come out. And your phone will begin to charge again, like before. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you liked it. If you like, don't forget to smash the like button and share with your friends. And as for now, it's all for me. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.